What is up, you guys? We're back with another update on how the 10K 90 days challenge is going with Infinity Processing System and My Six Figure Blueprint as they merge together. So what has happened is My Six Figure Blueprint is a marketing service. They do offer other packet products, but their marketing service has a fully automated autoresponder email capture, email follow-up, capture pages, bridge pages. You can use the system to sell itself as a whole and your own marketing company, or you can actually use this system to promote other opportunities that you have and that you offer. Excuse me, I've been feeling really sick and stuff. But anyways, I'm going to keep going right along here. I'm going to close this out. Something in my eye. I want to give a congratulations to James Famba. He's made $1,250 in the last 24 hours. This is going to help so many people because so many people in the Infinity Processing System, what it is with the Infinity Processing System, are having troubles with building funnels, with putting capture pages and email follow-ups together, and with the techie side of that. Well, My Six Figure Blueprint is a marketing service, and what they've done is made done for you capture pages and a 30-day email follow-up inside of the capture pages. So when someone joins into your capture page, they'll automatically start receiving emails from you that's already preloaded into the autoresponder. Now, what's even great with My Six Figure Blueprint, you can add a third-party autoresponder. So if you like having month-to-month subscriptions with other marketing services, you can go ahead and hook it up to this system. But the My Six Figure marketing system is a one-time payment, no more monthly fees. It's yours for a lifetime. And if you want to use it as a income base, you also get 100% commissions to it. It's a direct member-to-member sales opportunity when it comes to you selling the marketing system. It has a library system with package, which also has other training and things in the background that help you with marketing the system. And it also comes with a resellers club, which gives you access to all other opportunities that's planted within the background. I'll do another video on that so you guys can fully see and understand what I'm talking about when it comes to that. But I just want to give James Famba a big what's up and give a shout out to anyone that's in the Infinity Processing System that's having a hard time with that. If you see this video, that there's a marketing system for a one-time payment that has capture pages, done for you capture pages, a fully email autoresponder in the background, so that way it can help you with your business and let people see your business. Video sales pages, I'm gonna go over. I'm here in my back office, My Six Figure Blueprint. I'm gonna go into my marketing system, access marketing tools. I do have a link in the description if you want to check this out, or if you're with Infinity Processing System. If you cannot get a hold of your sponsor, you can always come to me and get this. But please, with integrity, go to your sponsor, see if your sponsor is hooked up with the My Six Figure Blueprint, and get the marketing system off of your sponsor. But if not, and you want the marketing system, come back to this page and let's get rocking and rolling so you don't have any more hiccups and burnout when it comes to putting your marketing system together. I'm gonna go down over here to autoresponder. My computer's been running a little slow today, you guys. I do apologize about that while we give it a little time here to load up. So I'm gonna click here on Infinity Processing System, move this over, and as you can see, it gives you a full 30-day email follow-up series. inside of here. I use the marketing system. I make me put a series of email follow-ups together myself. I enjoy doing this, you know, and I enjoy helping people. I am building a community on Facebook. I have my Facebook link in the description if you want to get with me on Facebook and learn how to do online marketing inside of a commute with me. Let's build a community. I really want to extend my hand and help as many people. It's not about money, it's about actually helping. Because when I started in this space, I had no help at all, and I want to extend that hand and help and give you the sauce, give you what I'm learning. Someone gave a helping hand out to me, which is Mr. Famba. Great thank you. And with his guidance, I learned a lot, and I'm willing and ready to help others, because you know paying it forward is a big thing, and helping others succeed. We all want a little succession in this world, you know, be able to take care of our family, have time freedom, do things we haven't been able to do, you know, have a little money, a little bit more extra income, be able to pay groceries, pay off bills. There's a lot of things you could do with building an online income. So I want to go over into the Infinity processing system. And again, we're running a little slow today. So they have a sales page and a video sales page, a multi-stream page, capture pages, all built and ready for you. If I click on this here, learn how you can fire your boss in 2023, make $500, $600 a day per sale using our online proven blueprint. So when somebody opts into your capture page, it's going to take them over here into your get started page. And right here on your get started page, it's going to give all the details. It's going to do all the selling and telling for you. Have an 8-minute video with testimonials explaining what Infinity processing system is. And they click get ready. I'm ready to change my life. It should take you, it'll take you right over to your sales page so that they can get started with you with Infinity processing system. How does it work? Get started, join one of the levels, access your product, show you exactly where and how to start posting pre-written ads and get traffic so they start collecting 100% daily commissions to you. This system is awesome. What it is a training system. They teach you attraction marketing, so that way you learn how to attract people to your opportunity. And if you're an Infinity processing system, and this is something that can help you build your business up even more, and you don't have to just use it for Infinity processing system. You can totally edit these capture pages. You can edit these video sales pages to market any brand anything that you're marketing or your opportunity. You can totally do it with this system. You can build different types of bridge pages, so that way your audience know who you are. As a marketing system as itself, it has video sales pages that help you do all the selling and telling. Again, I have the description and the link below. If you guys want to give the marketing system a check out, if you're with Infinity processing system and you're struggling with making your own capture pages and stuff, I highly recommend Infinity Market, my 6-figure marketing system. Again, get back to your sponsor. If your sponsor's not into the opportunity, if your sponsor left you behind, don't contact with you. Come get with me. I have my Facebook in the description. I have a community that I'm building. I'm gonna post a video about that, and like I said, I want to help as many people get their start online and really have a solid ground to stand on. I'm going to leave you guys with that one. I'll see you guys on the next one. And man, go spend some time with your family. That's what I'm going to do. Big shout out to you, James Famba. Congratulations on making your sale.